Hello everyone, welcome back. Today, I'm going to show you how to set up wireless printing on the HP SmartTank 580 and 581 printers using your smartphone. Just follow each step carefully, and you'll be able to print photos and documents wirelessly from your phone. Step 1. Turn on the printer. First, turn on your HP SmartTank printer. Now press and hold the Wi-Fi button for a few seconds. Wait for a moment until the Wi-Fi Direct option becomes available. Now our printer is ready for the wireless setup. Step 2. Get the wireless password. Now we need to find the printer's wireless network name and password. To do this, press the information button. The printer will print an information page. On this page, you can find the wireless SSID and password. Keep this information somewhere safe, because we'll need it in the next step. Step 3. Download the HP app. Now take your smartphone and download the HP app from the Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. After installing the app, connect your phone to the printer's wireless network using the SSID and password we just printed. Now open the HP app and allow all the necessary permissions. Next, tap on Add Printer. The app will search for available HP printers. Once you see your HP SmartTank 580 or 581, select it and follow the instructions on the screen. Great! As you can see, our HP SmartTank printer is now successfully connected, so you can print wirelessly without using a USB cable. Now let's do a quick test print to make sure everything is working properly. From the HP app, you can print photos, documents, and even scan documents. Let's try printing a photo. Select your photo, choose the paper size and print settings, and then tap Print. Now wait for a few seconds. Perfect! As you can see, our HP SmartTank printer is printing successfully over Wi-Fi. And that's it. This is how you can easily set up wireless printing on your HP SmartTank 580 or 581 printer using your smartphone. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Multifix for more printer tutorials, wireless setup guides, and tech solutions.